Imagine waking up in the dead of the night to find a snake watching over you. For many, it's a chilling thought, but in my culture, this encounter would be a blessing. Welcome to Idemili, where snakes are revered as sacred companions, protectors, and messengers. Today, I invite you to join me on a fascinating journey into the heart of our traditions. But before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. Share with your friends and family. Thank you. Snake is associated with a significant cultural and spiritual symbol within Idemili in Anambra State. The snake in Idemili is revered as a sacred animal, often considered as a manifestation of the water deity known locally as Idemili. The snake, usually a python, is seen as the earthly representative of this deity. The python is believed to bring good fortune and protection. These sacred snakes enter homes without causing harm, and their presence is often seen as a blessing rather than a threat. The appearance of a python in one's home is believed to bring prosperity or a sign of an upcoming significant event. It is allowed to stay in the home for as long as it pleases. Growing up in Idemili, I witnessed an incident that left me questioning whether it was mere coincidence or something orchestrated by unseen powers. My uncle had married a woman from a neighboring state, unfamiliar with the worship of the Idemili snake. Over time, she became accustomed to the presence of these sacred snakes in the community. One day after she gave birth, her younger sibling and mother came for the traditional omugwo, that is, the postnatal care. To their great dismay, they found a snake on the wall just above the bed where the mother and baby lay. Despite the family's reassurances that the snake brought good fortune and had merely come to welcome the new baby, the visitors could not overcome their fear. The elderly women of the family pleaded with the snake, asking it to leave, because the visitors, unfamiliar with its significance, were scared and uncomfortable. In what seemed like an unbelievable act, the snake stretched out and gently crawled away into the bush, while the women showered it with praises. Remarkably, during the visitors' stay, the snake did not return to the home. However, on the day of their departure, the snake was seen crawling back into the house, neatly tucking itself back into the spot where it had been before. This left the visitors in shock and amazement. How did the snake know they were leaving? What kept it away until the day of their departure? Did the snake understand the women, please? In the Idemili area, killing a python is considered a grave offense, as the python is regarded as a sacred creature. If a python is accidentally killed, elaborate burial rites similar to those performed for a human being are often carried out. This reflects the deep respect and reverence the local people have for the snake. The Idemili deity and its associated snake have been central to the spiritual life of the communities in the area. Mythological stories surrounding the Idemili deity often speak of the snake as a guardian of the waters and protector of the people. The Idemili deity is celebrated in various cultural festivals and rituals in the area. These festivals are opportunities for the people to offer sacrifices and prayers to the deity, seeking protection, fertility, and blessings. During these times, the reverence for the snake and the water it symbolizes is especially pronounced. Although modern influences and Christianity have affected some traditional practices, the reverence for the snake of Idemili remains strong in many parts of Anambra State. The significance of the python as a symbol of Idemili deity continues to be a powerful aspect of identity and heritage of the people in this region. Is there a sacred animal that holds a special place in your community? What cultural practices or mysteries were you raised with? Share with us in the comments below. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.